poor Dolly's being attacked by the puppies. Dolly looks very happy about it all, don't you, Dolly? Dolly says, not doing this again. Look at little fat bellies. Where'd Mum go? Where'd Mum go? There's Mum. Oh, here we go. Go for a walk. There's Errol. Oh, I got the floor. I think they're hungry, Dolly. Where's Dad? Where's Maxie? Maxie! Beryl! 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 There's Beryl. Fu Manchu. Judy. There's Judy Moran. She's a killer. There's Penny. There's Maxie. Mighty Max Meathead. Stud. Ew! Oh look, we had a pee everywhere. Dolly! Dolly, come back here. Dolly's making an escape. Oh look, they're saying hello to the big dogs. Hello, Wendy. Oh, Wendy. Wendy. Nobody goes out the yard, okay? Arrow? Oh, Arrow. Arrow. Piddle pants. Oh. Puppies. 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 Pup, 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 pup. Pup, 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 pup. Oh, puppies. Puppies. Hello, Wendy. Hello, Wendy. Wendy's a scaredy cat. Wendy. Wendy. Hey, I'm sick of seeing your back ends. Puppy. 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 Oh, kisses. Kisses. Oh, Wendy. Hello, Wendy. You're not peeing there, are you? Yeah, on the left is Errol, then Betty, then Wendy, and that is Sadie. Something like that. Now Wendy's the one with the tail down, because she's a scaredy cat. Aren't you, Wendy? You touch my runners and you're dead meat. I'll back in like a bloody traffic light, dog. Hello. Hello. I'm being attacked now. I know you come back, Dolly. Here's Mummy Dolly. Who's there? Who's back there? Oh, there's another one. Oh, okay, we're back on the meat wagon. Go find Mum. Dolly? Dolly? Puppy? Errol? This is Pinky, especially for Bev. So, I hope Bev's going to watch this. Hello, Pinky. Hello, Pinky. Hello, Pinky. Oh, hello. Not telling. Hello, Pinky. Oh, hello, Pinky. Oh, it's a good girl. You say hello, babe. Hello, babe. You be quiet. And that's shithead, Robin Michelle's galah. There's my finches. Tony's babies. Thank you. Thank you. Now back to the puppies before they escape and the big puggies eat them.